If you want to disable TalkBack on CMF Phone 2 Pro, let me show you what you need to do. So of course we need to go back to the TalkBack settings. However, in order to get there, we're gonna start from the home screen. So if you need to jump to the home screen, you will need to use 2 fingers and use the same gesture as you usually do. For example, if you use gestures, of course, and then you just swipe twice like this. And if you use buttons for navigation, then you can tap on the button that goes to the home button. You can just tap once on the home button and then double tap in order to confirm. Besides that, we can also just close settings in case you had them opened. So in this case, I'm going to go to background apps. Once again, do the same thing like you do usually, but with 2 buttons if you use gestures. So in my case, I'm going to do something like this. And then using 2 fingers, I can swipe up in order to close it. So pretty much anything you do, usually with 1 finger, you need to do with 2 fingers instead. And this also includes like scrolling. And if you have buttons for navigation, then you can tap on the button once in order to select it, and then double tap in order to proceed, in order to choose that option. So now let's start finally by going to settings. So in my case, I'm gonna swipe up with 2 fingers in order to go to the app drawer, and then we can search for settings. Tap once on settings and then double tap. Over here in the settings, we need to scroll once again with 2 fingers in order to find accessibility. Tap once and then double tap. Tap on TalkBack and then double tap. Tap on this switch over here in order to select it and then double tap. And then select turn off and double tap again. And finally, TalkBack is disabled. Now, once again, you can use just 1 finger in order to navigate on your phone. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.